Hello guys, welcome. This is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how you can make money by printing t-shirt designs using Canva. So the first thing is you can use Canva to create designs for your t-shirts, mugs, etc. And those designs you can get it fulfilled with platforms like Printify, and then connecting those platforms to stores like Etsy or to your Shopify store, you can start selling. So there are two things you'll need. You'll need either a Shopify store or an Etsy account, and you'll also need a platform like Printify. So what this Printify platform does, Printify platform is basically a fulfillment center who will fulfill the demand for you. For example, if you want to sell a t-shirt with the, let's say, white t-shirt with your design on it, Printify will do the fulfillment for that. What you have to do is you have to create the design, and also you have to connect your Printify with an Etsy store or a Shopify store to start selling. And when an order comes through Etsy or through Shopify, the Printify will take care of fulfilling that order on your behalf. So we won't go too deep into the nitty-gritties of Printify and Etsy, but if you want a video on that, do let me know and I'll be able to help you with that. But for this timing of this video, we'll just focus on two things, Canva and Printify for now. So first important thing is, let's go over to Printify. I'm going to open this in incognito mode here because I already have an account with Printify. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to Printify, and let's first sign up today. So we'll go for Printify here, and there is an option to start for free. Click on that. You can continue with Google, or you can use your email password and hit sign up. I've already connected my Printify account with the help of Google, so I'm already logged in. And if you want, you can either use your email password to sign up, or you can connect with your Google account. Once you are connected, the first thing is we'll go over to Printify here, and we'll click on this and My Store. And the first thing is we will look for what is the size of the design that we need to create. So let's go over to the dashboard here, and let's create a new, these are the different bestsellers they have. Okay, unisex heavy cotton tee. So I'm going to go ahead and select this one here. And first important thing is we need to know the size of the design. So in order to find out the size, I'm going to go ahead and click on Start Designing. And you can see here the print area size is 3951 by 4919 pixels. So this is the size that we have to provide to our Canva to create the design. So this is the size 3951 by 4919. So I'm going to go over to Canva here, click on Create a Design, and this is going to be of the custom size. So I'm going to go ahead and go over to custom size here, and we'll go 3951 and 4919. And this was in pixel, so we'll choose pixel here. I'm going to leave it pixel. If it was in centimeters or millimeters, you're going to choose one of these options. So first thing is we went over to Printify and created an account over there. Then we are looking for the product that you want to sell your design on. It could be a cup, a mug, it could be a t-shirt, hoodie, etc. So once you have selected that, okay, you wanted to create a t-shirt, then on the t-shirt, the next thing is you need to look at the dimensions on which your design should be there. So custom size here, and then we'll click on Create New Design. And over here, you are going to create your design. So let's say you are passionate about dogs, let's assume, or you are a gardener and you are passionate about plants. So what you can do is you can go over to Pinterest and get some ideas for your t-shirts for related to gardening, if let's say that's your hobby. So what I'll do is I'll go over to Pinterest here, and in Pinterest, the first thing I'll do is look for gardening t-shirt design. Okay, the spelling is wrong, but Pinterest understood it. So this is your gardening t-shirts design. So choose your weapon is one, life is a garden, dig it. I like this one. Or you can get an idea from here, but don't just copy the exact what designs from Pinterest. You have to modify it according to yourself, add some twist to those designs. So here, if I like this one, life is a garden, dig it. So what I'll do is I'll use something like this. So I'm going to go back to my Canva here, and let's look for a text, and we will use this simple text here, or if you like something else, you can choose from these fonts. Let's say we'll go with I'll go with title here, and this is small, so I'm going to go ahead and increase the size to 80, and we'll change it to whichever font style you like. So let's say you like something like this. Let's say we like this one. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and increase the size, and we'll call this as Life is a Garden, and then we'll add some dots and we'll say dig it. Now one thing is, this one, the spacing between the letters is too much, so I'm going to go ahead and reduce the spacing. So the line spacing, I'm going to do it something like this, and Life is a Garden, dig it. And then here I'm going to also add some elements, and let's say the element is, let's say you want to make it all caps, you can do that. I like it, Life is a Garden, dig it. And then here I'm going to look for digging, and we like something, go to graphics here, and let's say we like this. Now this design will look good on a white t-shirt, but usually what happens is you also have black t-shirts, right? So you want to put your design for black t-shirt also. So what I'll do is I'll go ahead and duplicate this page and put everything from here. I'll change the color to white. I'll change the color of this to white as well, and then I'll change the background color to black. Okay, so this is my two designs that I've created, Life is a Garden, dig it, and this one, and then I've added a shovel at the end. So this looks pretty cool. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on share and download this as an SVG file. Okay, so this SVG file is good if you it's like a vector file which you can increase and decrease the size, and it will not damage anything on that particular document. So this is an SVG I'm going to download, and will have a transparent background. I'm going to download it as a transparent background and click on download. This is going to download a zip file, and this zip file, we can say t-shirt designs. And this zip file we can use for our Printify. So over here, if I go over and now I'll go to the upload section. Before I do that, I need to extract the file. So here I'll go to the downloads and I'll extract all, and this one. So you have two design here, 1 and 2, and this is your file, t-shirt designs. Okay, so now what we'll do is we'll go over here and we'll upload from your My Device, and we'll go and click on go back to t-shirt designs and number 1 here. And this is your design, and you can see here it fits on the size, etc., on that dotted line behind it. So this looks pretty cool. Front looks this. If you want to add the design on the back also, you can do that, but I like the front, so I'll just put it on the front here, and we will save the product. Okay, if you want to preview it, you can preview it. So we'll go back, and if you want to preview the design, you can preview the design. If you want to edit it, and this is how it looks like. Okay, Life is a Garden, and it looks pretty cool on the white t-shirt. Okay, back is empty here, but this is your front. Okay, mock-up view. Front number 2 and back number 2. So this looks good, perfect, and perfect. Okay, so you have created your first design with the help of Canva and also using Printify. Now the other thing you need to do is you have to connect your store. Now that store can be Shopify or Etsy, and you can start selling through those stores. So you can use Canva to create these t-shirt designs. Similarly, if you have to create, let's say, designs for a hoodie or a mug or a glass, etc., then you can go back to Printify here and go over to dashboard, and let's look for their catalogs. The catalog, let's say we have hoodies here. Once you click on hoodies, let's say you liked something like this color, so we'll go over here, and then when you come to the start designing part, it will tell you the size of the hoodie, the print area size. So you can create a design in Canva using this size here, 3531 by 2352 pixel, and then you use that or add that design over to your hoodie, and that's it. And then all you need to do is connect your Printify with Etsy or Shopify and start selling it. So This is how you can make money with Canva by creating print-on-demand t-shirts, hoodies, mugs, etc. I hope you guys are enjoying this tutorial. I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you.